What is up, guys? We just came on the trail right now. It's like about 10 in the morning. Cedar Creek Falls. I think you need a permit. I don't know. We didn't get one because I think the government shut down. There's nobody working here. So kind of excited for this hike. It was a really nice view driving up here. It was pretty cool. I think there's a lot of people actually. There's a lot of people parked here after the rain. It's like 4 days of rain, so I'm sure hopefully the waterfall is flowing. It's our first time on this trail, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully there's not too many people, it's not too crowded, so I could bust out the drone and get some drone shots, because sometimes I feel uncomfortable when there's too many people. I don't want to invade their privacy by recording all of them, so we'll see. We'll check it out. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Made it to the waterfall. See back there? It's a really big waterfall. It's really nice. It's starting to get hot out here. People are jumping in the water, as you probably saw. Ooh, it's beautiful out here, man. Come out here. Not too bad of a hike getting here, but like down elevation. But there's a, I think Devil's Punch Bowl, I don't know. Swimming hole. Really nice. Super nice. But yeah, come out here, guys. I really had fun. I think we have a really long, super long trip going up ways. Not long, but it's might be a little bit hard. When we're coming on the way down, there's a lot of people struggling to get back up. So hope you enjoy the video. Oh, they're waving. That's it. Pro tip, guys, if you guys aren't planning to jump in the water, I recommend you guys going early on the hike, because on the way back it's pretty steep and it gets warm. So unless you're planning to get in the water, then you could come a little bit later in the day. But if you just want to take pictures by the waterfall and stuff, then come early. Start like at 8 in the morning, man. We started like at 10. It's kind of way late, but nevertheless, it's pretty dope. Alrighty, guys, back at the trailhead. Total was 5.67 miles, maybe a little bit more because the trail thing is right there. But yeah, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. New year, we're gonna be posting a lot of new videos. Definitely a lot of videos of hiking, outdoor stuff, trails. So see you until next time.